Imagine being 6 years old and walking to school alone. Imagine cleaning your own classroom every single day. And imagine a school system where respect, discipline, and teamwork are considered just as important as math or science. Welcome to Japan Elementary School. Japanese elementary schools last 6 years, usually from the age of 6 to 12. For many children, school becomes much more than a place to study. It becomes a place where they learn how to live as a part of a community. One of the first things you noticed is how organized everything is. Many students wear traditional backpacks called rando seru. These backpacks are designed to last for years and are symbol of a Japanese school life. When students arrive to school, they do something that may seems unusual to many people outside of Japan. They change their shoes. Outdoor shoes are left at entrance and students put on special indoor shoes before entering the school building. Japanese schools are known for being extremely clean, and this is one of the ways they keep classrooms and hallways tidy. The school day usually starts around 8 in the morning. Students greet their teacher together, often with a bow, showing respect before lessons even begin. Inside the classroom, things are usually calm and highly structured. Students are taught from an early age to listen carefully, stay focused, and work together. In many schools, students stay in the same classroom while teachers move from room to room for different subjects. The atmosphere may seem strict compared to some Western countries, but there is also a strong sense of community between students and teachers. But perhaps the most surprising part of Japanese elementary school is this: students clean the school themselves. Every day, children clean classrooms, wipe desks, sweep floors, and sometimes even clean bathrooms and hallways. This cleaning time is called suji. The purpose is not to save money on cleaners. The idea is to teach responsibility, humility, and respect for shared places. In Japan, children are taught that if everyone takes care of their environment together, the community becomes stronger. Another interesting part of Japanese school life is lunch. Instead of simply receiving food from cafeteria workers, students often help serve meals to their classmates, wearing masks, gloves, uniforms. They distribute food carefully and work together as a team. School lunches in Japan are usually healthy and balanced. A typical meal may include rice, soup, fish or meat, vegetables, and milk. And unlike many schools around the world, students often eat lunch together inside their classrooms instead of a cafeteria. Japanese schools also place a huge emphasis on independence. Many elementary school children walk to school alone or use public transportation without their parents. In many countries, this would seem unbelievable for such young children. But in Japan, independence is encouraged from an early age. The goal of elementary school in Japan is not only academic success. Schools also focus on developing character, discipline, teamwork, responsibility, and respect for others. To many people around the world, Japanese schools may seem strict or unusual, but for millions of children in Japan, the system teaches values that stay with them for life. And maybe that is why Japanese schools continue to fascinate people all over the world. So, what do you think? Would this kind of school system work in your country? Thank you for watching this video. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe. Be cool.